Just got home. Let's watch Misbehave. I'm eating as well, pero I'm watching. Like, these people are weird. Why are you cheering them? Tapos nag-ano sila. Sa video I knew it. So ngayon, sila pa yung madedehado here. Kasi sila yung nag-circulate ng video na walang consent. Sadly, in that situation, sila yung mali. I know they're trying to like get revenge, but you should do it in the right way. I was saying that was very high school. They are in high school. But see what it is. Like, yung mga ganitong shots, it's really giving stage play. I wonder, si Derek ba mahilig sa stage plays? Or he's directed plays or, I don't know, musicals on stage before? That's what it's giving. Ate ko! I think super si Marla nga yung may kailangan nito eh. Kasi siya yung maraming pent up na emotions, energies inside her. Tapos, kailangan niya talaga yan. Go girl, kaya mo yan. Te, medyo may sabi si Marla! Ano yan? Oh my gosh. Lo! Oh no, now she's crying. I guess it was just emotions. I thought she was going crazy for a sec. No, girl, we're not doing this right now. No! It's not you! Well, sadly, ganun talaga. Pag nagmahal ka, you give them the agency, you give them the opening, you open the door for them to hurt you. Kasi nga, vulnerable ka. Wala, ganun talaga tayo eh. Sadyang nagkamali ka lang taong ginusto. Pero you know how when you're in high school, you're at this age, you're like, feeling mo, sirang-sira na yung buhay mo. Pero like, I mean, at my age now, I'm like, what the heck? Kaya mo yan, te. I'm telling you, kaya mo yan. Just get up and do better. Hindi mo naman kasalanan, pero, I mean, think better. Oh, my baby girl. Hello. Sabi ko pa naman, hindi pa ako umiiyak sa show na to. Desalin, bakit? Oh, I saw her earlier. Nag-fangirl ako, sabi. Gagi ate, I love you. Don't feel that way. Ah, my girl, Desalin, I love you. No, baby girl. You're so pretty, I love you. Diba? Bali, wala lahat ng pagligo ko, ma'am. Girl! Maling tao kasi. Hindi talaga si Aunt. Hindi niya ma-appreciate yun. Pero you know what? I love how they're acting this na bigay without thinking about how they would look. Kasi, you know, pag bata ka, sobrang dami ng hormones mo eh. Nakala mo talaga, mamatay ka na dito sa problema mo na to eh. Na parang talagang life and death siya, di ba? So, it makes sense how they're acting right now. And I kind of feel bad because at that age, you have so many insecurities na parang hindi ako, or problema ko to, I can still fix it. But the thing is, you just have to accept yourself, right? No, baby. You'll never be used to it. You shouldn't be used to feeling that way. No. You're not. There's my crazy girl. Hindi pa nag-break si Isobel. May susunod pa yan. You know, I'm so happy for everyone. Pero that scene with it like revolving, yung umiikot sa kanila, I was like, when I saw April, I felt like, my baby girl. Parang feeling ko sobrang sad niya all her life. She's trying to, alam mo yun, parang mas magaling siya kay Cole or makakakuha lang na acknowledgement sa tatay niya. Pero she never got that. So, she never had friends. I mean, I think it's same for Isobel. Pero si Isobel kasi medyo independent siya. Si April parang, I think she's baby girl. Pero she's trying so hard na maging okay lang mag-isa. Tapos, the way she went like this, I think kay Nix yun. Gumanon siya. I'm like, baby! Ganun talaga. Love is love. Gago lapit. Ganda na ng sinabi mo, te. Okay sana eh. Kaso, naglag. Gagi, you don't have to respect me. Nakakainis, kuya. Sana sinabi mo na lang yung totoo. Pinaasa mo kami. Kami? Si ate mo in denial. Pero no, wag nyo siyang i-out. That's not right. Pero that makes sense, di ba, Nix? That's why he doesn't go to you. It's not you, siya. It's his problem. Okay, kami. How come you guys didn't have the same energy when it was the girls who had their nudes leaked? Like, obviously biased kayo. Mama mo blue. Help me, Beyonce. Avoidance. Ayaw ma-find out. In fairness, sobrang galing nila umarketing. Kunwari hindi sila. Pero sila talaga yun. I was just about to say, that was so easy for you to say. Tapos yung sinabi ni Marla, go girl, tama. Pero may point si Marla, like if you really love me, like help me find the person who did this to me. Don't you agree? Sabi na may something sila. Kasi bakit siya sobrang bad trip sa kanya, 'di ba? I so agree. Because you're so mad. Logic does not come in there.
By doing the right thing, be sorry for doing the right thing.
That was a really good scene. Kasi, tama naman si Marla sa ginawa niya. Pero nasaktan pa din si April dahil doon. So, an apology was due, you know? So, I like that. Oh my gosh, are they wearing drag? It's so funny, si Isabel. No! What did you do to my girl? Oh my god, it's so good though. Oh my gosh. Wala, tumawa kami. Hindi man lang nag-disguise si Aunt. Talagang go na go siya. Kala niya walang makakakita sa kanya here. Hindi ko sure kung anong balak nila, but I hope they won't like out him. That's not for you to decide. I know may galit kayo, pero be, huli ka be.
Hey, stop recording me, please.
No.
This is an intrusion of privacy.
Hello, I feel so bad for the both of them. Ay.
Surprise! Ako yung mas na-surprise. So ano?
They really claim to like you.
Oh. Tapos masakit yun! Ang sakit!
Thank you. Thanks.
I know you do, but
I just wouldn't like you that way.
shit, ang sakit, mommy. I don't think it was Ant, to be honest. Like, he was like the tamest of all of them. I don't even know if it was with the group. I just feel so bad for both of them. Because I do think they like each other. Sadyang hindi lang. Totoo. Mahal na mahal ka ni Nix, eh. I feel so bad because like for Nix, it's like, te, I love gays, mga tatay ko, ba din? Bakit parang hindi ako safe space for you? Sana in an alternate universe, best friends na lang kayo, yung nagkukulutan, nagme-make-upan, ganun. Shoot, ang hirap kasi pareho kaming marupok ni Nix. Paano? Pero totoo, like wala kang karapatan na mang-out ng iba. That's on them when they're ready. Let them come out, but it's not on you. Hindi nyo alam. Mahirap maging bakla. You know, gets siya ni Nix. Kaya nga ang sakit kasi bakit hindi mo na lang sinabi? Like, sobrang tapang ni Nix. For her to be this strong right now, hindi ko kaya. And I know how much she likes Ant, you know. And I do think that Ant likes her. But, damn. Shut up! Don't say nang. Guys, hindi talaga si Ant yung nag-leak. Isama na lang natin si Ant sa atin. Te, wag nyo nang awayin si Nix. Pero be, sa totoo lang, like, we actually have no evidence that they did it. Malay niyo siya talaga yun. I think it's Warren. No, girl, it's not that. Wala sa usapan yung sexuality ni Ant sa problema niyo ngayon. So, labas yun dun. Kung may makita kang evidence, nakakasama siya dun sa nag-leak, edi, let justice be served dun sa case na yun, pero hindi yung sexuality niya. Ang cute ng visuals. Para silang rainbow mismo, sila mismo. Tapos may rainbow flag sa likod. I'm usually for you, girl, pero mali ka. Mali ka on this, It's mali. Te, anong ngiti yan? Buray mo yan. Pero parang hindi sila nag-aaral na, no? Na? Gagi, kukurutin ko talaga to si Isabel eh. Isabel pala. I'm so mad. Girl, no, this is just... No. Girl, I believed in you. I trusted you. I campaigned for you. I love your purple, but this is not it. That's why she didn't share kanina. When fuck, I feel so bad for Ant. You know, kanina, na nag-usap-usap sila, di ba, they were being vulnerable, and she didn't? This is why! Because ate girl is not one of us! Hello? Pero gagi, si Warren talaga to. Sabi ko sa yun, si Warren talaga nagkakalat yan. So mad, because so many people ended their lives because of this. I'm so mad. Tibayan mo loob mo, te. Tibayan mo. Kukurating kita sa singit eh. Nakakait. Ay, naku, tutuktukan ko si girl. Ah! I'm so disappointed. You don't get to be the color purple. Tapos mga out ka ng bading. Mali. Maling-mali, girl. Yung kanina, yung dun sa moment nilang 5 na sila na. Nag-direct chuchu sila doon. I was like, oh my gosh, are they all gonna talk and have their like own realization moment na, oh yeah, this is what I've realized, blah 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 blah. And I'm like, I was starting to think na, okay, this is getting too long. If each of them are gonna talk, it's way too long. This whole scene is way too long and repetitive. So I was glad when Isobel did not say anything and kept to herself. I was like, okay, then we get more for later. Then, ate girl freaking betrayed us. We all agreed that was not fair. We voted. I'm sorry, I always say we. I'm so involved. But we voted, and ang sabi, i-delete, and everybody deleted it. But she didn't, out of spite. Like, she didn't understand where they were coming from. For Nick especially, this is very important. She has 2 gay dads. You know, so she knows. And it's about her. She's the one who's involved in this. Siya yung ex ni Ant. So, she gets to decide. Actually, no. Ant gets to decide. And in extension, si Nix. And she already decided that they're not gonna out him. And she proceeded to do that. I'm so mad, girl. You can't be purple and do this thing. Tapos ang saya-saya ko pa na finally, alam mo yon, they found each other. If anything, these things, what happened to them, it was bad, okay? But on the bright side, they finally found friends who would be with them, who understand who they really are, that they can open up to. I was really happy for that. And actually, as a Taurus na parang gusto ko sa comfortable na lang ako. At this point, I'd be like, okay, fuck revenge. I don't care. Because honestly, in this world that we live in, nothing's gonna happen. Nakita naman yan, nasa school pa lang. Wala nang pakialam sa kanila, di ba? Because, who cares about your nudes being leaked? Babae ka lang. Yun ang, you know, that's how this world thinks. And I know, you know, in the beginning, I was like, yeah, we have to do this. we have to get justice for this because that's what it's supposed to be. But honestly, that's not how the world works. So I was like, you know what? Let's just study hard and have better lives than these guys. And to be honest, we don't even know if it was them. Ay, medyo weird theory, chuchu. Pero ang pinaghihinalaan ko talaga is either Warren or Marla. Okay, since medyo marami pa akong time dito kasi nga part 2, I would say my theories. So, the reason why I think it's Marla is parang feeling ko yun yung biggest twist eh. With the series being named Misbehave, which is her because she's the most behaved, she's the golden girl, you know. I thought the, parang misbehave is a hint of that she is the one who's gonna be bad. And so, feeling ko sobrang laking plot twist niya and acting-wise for Alexa as well. It's gonna be really good. You know, na biglang may twist na ganun na, oh my gosh, siya pala yun. Na meron siyang alter ego or something na she did this, she's crazy, she's psychotic or something like that. And it was her all along. That's one theory. The other one is it's Warren. Because si Warren, you know, sumusulpot-sulpot lang siya dyan. He doesn't have any connection. He has no background. He has no friends. We don't even know who this guy is for real. Bigla na lang siyang sumusulpot dyan. Tapos, he likes Marla. We don't even know why. You know, parang, sino ba to? He's not from the class. He has no other friends. He's just kind of there. So, it's like, you know? So, yun. Pag tama ako, it's either Marla or Warren. But it's not Ant. Let him be. So, ayun, I'm just so sad that happened. I hope they would be able to resolve this. I really liked their friendship and where the story was going. But then all of a sudden, Isobel, chintish. That's it for me today. I'll see you in the next one.